What triggers an IRS audit? The idea of an IRS audit makes many business owners anxious, but understanding what triggers one can help you avoid red flags. The IRS selects tax returns for audit using several methods. Random selection, based on statistical formulas. Mismatch in reported income, e.g., 1099s don't match your return. Excessive deductions or losses, especially over multiple years. High cash transactions or foreign accounts. Industries like restaurants, construction, and freelance services often receive closer scrutiny. An audit doesn't mean you're guilty, it just means your return raised questions. With preparation, you can navigate the process smoothly. Know the types of IRS audits. There are three main types of audits, and each requires a different level of preparation. Correspondence audit, done by mail. Typically limited to specific items like charitable deductions or home office expenses. Office audit requires visiting an IRS office with documentation, usually covers broader areas. Field audit, the most in-depth. An IRS agent visits your place of business or home to examine records. Knowing which type of audit you're facing will help you gather the appropriate documents and prepare accordingly. Organize your financial records. The key to a successful audit is documentation. The IRS wants to see a clear paper trail that supports what you reported on your tax return. Prepare the following: receipts for expenses and deductions, bank and credit card statements, invoices and customer payments, payroll and contractor records, mileage logs and travel details, previous tax returns. Keep records for at least 3 years, and up to 7 years for certain deductions or amended returns. Respond promptly and professionally. If you receive an audit notice, do not ignore it. The notice will include a deadline and a list of what the IRS wants to review. Read it carefully and begin gathering documents immediately. It's best to respond in writing and keep a record of all communication. Being respectful and organized goes a long way. If you need more time, you can request an extension, but don't wait until the last minute. Get help from a tax professional. If you're not confident about representing yourself, hire a qualified professional such as a CPA, enrolled agent, or tax attorney. They can communicate directly with the IRS on your behalf, interpret complex tax issues and defend your deductions, negotiate payment options or settlements if issues arise. Having a representative also shows the IRS you take the audit seriously and are prepared to comply. Understand your rights. During an audit, you have the right to be treated with respect and professionalism. Know why the IRS is requesting information, appeal any decision, or propose alternative solutions. Have representation during all proceedings. The IRS publishes Publication 1, Your Rights as a Taxpayer, which outlines all rights during audits and collections. Conclusion plus expert. Tips. An IRS audit can be stressful, but it doesn't have to be a nightmare. With proper organization, transparency, and expert support, most audits end without penalties or major issues. 3 tips to prepare and pass an audit. Keep organized records year-round, not just at tax time. Respond to IRS letters immediately and respectfully. Hire representation if the audit is complex or high risk.